Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start now by freeing space and scanning. You should remove large unused files and empty the recycle bin so Windows can use virtual memory efficiently. Run Windows Update and device driver updates, then reboot to apply changes. Next, run a full antivirus and an anti-malware scan to catch background resource hogs, and open Task Manager to disable non-essential startup apps. Once done, make sure your system restore point is created before big changes so you can roll back safely. Now optimize how Windows uses resources. Open System Advanced System Settings and reduce visual effects to improve responsiveness. You'll lose some animations, but gain CPU and RAM headroom. Then set your power plan to balanced or high performance to avoid throttling under load. Use services. MSC to disable or set Superfetch and Prefetch to manual if SSD is present, and turn off unneeded background apps in settings so CPU cycles and I/O aren't wasted. Finish by targeting persistent bottlenecks. Update or reinstall critical drivers like GPU, chipset, and network so hardware behaves correctly. Run chkdsk and manufacturer SSD tools to check health and apply firmware updates. Degraded storage often causes stutter. If you still see lag, consider an in-place Windows repair or a clean install as a last resort, but backup files first. Troubleshooting tip. If performance drops after a change, use a restore point or safe mode to isolate the cause and revert only the specific change that introduced lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.